What's up, guys? This is your Orlando real estate advisor, Andrew Sweet, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Seaport Model being built by Pulte Homes in Dr. Phillips, Florida. Dr. Phillips is a beautiful suburb in the Orlando, Florida area. If you like this home, guys, or if you're looking for something a little bit different, make sure to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I would love it if you stop by the channel and comment down below what you want to see. Also, guys, stay till the very end of the video because I'm going to have some good news to share with you that I really want you to hear. So make sure not to miss that. But for now, let's take a look at the Seaport Model. So the Seaport Model being built in Parkview Reserve. We're going to talk more about the community at the end of the video. Parkview Reserve is in Dr. Phillips. And this model in particular, as you can see, is 2 stories. It's a 3-bedroom home, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. It comes in at 2,068 square feet. And you're looking at a base price, as of right now, keep in mind prices change, but base price of $694,990. That does not include things like lot premiums or upgrades or anything like that. So prices will change, and prices vary depending on the actual lot you choose. So we're actually going to go in and take a look at the Seaport Model. Let's head inside. Let me put my notes away. So as soon as we come inside, there's me. I forgot my camera stabilizer today. That's okay. Beautiful home. Pulte did such a good job with their new construction homes. This is the view as soon as you walk in. This is our half bathroom right next to the front door. What's your favorite Orlando suburb? Go ahead and comment that down below. Ooh, everybody loves a kitchen. Let's take a nice view of this kitchen. That's nice. I love a good kitchen. The kitchen's actually my favorite part of the home. Before we move on, though, I do want to show you guys this. This is going to be your pantry, and you have some space underneath the stairs as storage. They used all the space in this home really well. Quartz countertops. Let's take a look over here. As you can see, lots of pantry space and cabinet space. Kind of like the open floor concept down here. You have a little more storage space over here as well as countertop space. We'll go over there in a second. Let's take a look at the garage. Remember, it's a 2-car garage. 2-car garage. You got your electric panel right there. Water heater would be hooked up out here as well. Okay. Sorry for the squeaky door. All right, look at the laundry room. Pretty high ceilings. I know people enjoy that. Makes the house feel, more spacious. Right here, got your nice little dining area. Easy access from the dining area to the kitchen. Got your living space. Plenty of room for a nice sized couch. I love the way they set it up. It's the beautiful thing about model homes is they've got all this furniture. It kind of gives you ideas of what you maybe want to design the home like when you get it for yourself. We'll take a look out back in a second. I want to show the master bedroom. So downstairs, master. Plenty of space for a king-size bed, as you can see. I love that design they put up on the wall there. I'll give you guys a look from the other side over here. Okay. Lots of natural lighting in this home, which is always a plus. You have your shower. Got 2 sinks right here. Nice linen closet to my left. Got your toilet. Over here, you got your master bedroom closet. Lots of space there. I want to show you guys the back patio, so let's actually head out there. This community is selling out really quickly, guys. I mean, it's in Dr. Phillips in kind of a new part of the Dr. Phillips area. Oh, I locked it. There we go. So it's selling out really quick, and you got access to a lot of things. We'll talk more about the community itself after the home tour. Beautiful day here right now in Orlando. It's about 65 degrees or so. One of the cool things about this community, you can actually see it right over there. That is the local high school. So, you know, kids who live in this neighborhood, they can literally just walk to high school. And the middle school and elementary schools are also pretty close by. They also have a lot of shopping centers and things. I love this. I just love how they have a grill right here, you know, vents right out. You have a sink as well. Got the fridge. Such a cool setup they got going on. Okay, let's go back inside. It is such a nice day though, outside. This is one of the beautiful things about living in Orlando this time of year is we really don't get too cold. So just have beautiful days like today. Let's go upstairs. Get a nice workout in going up these stairs. Nice little loft area here. Plenty of space, as you can see, for a couch. Got the TV set up so you can send the kids up here when they're done with their homework, or you can send them up here to do their homework. You see this? I really love this. They do this a lot in these model homes. They have the desk set up right above the stairs. It's cool. Let's go check out this room over here. Let's see if I remember. I believe this is where the... Oh, yeah, so we just got some more. This can be storage. It's also the AC unit and just some extra storage right here. Let's see if we can actually, yeah, you got your attic storage right there. Just the attic access. There's also one right there. Close that up. Another look at the view. Upstairs is carpeted, as you can see below me. We got 2 bedrooms up here. Here's the full bathroom that's upstairs. Remember, it's a 2.5 bath. There's me. Oh yeah, gotta love the Star Wars themed room. Super cool. Oh, this is cool, look at this. They're like book holders. I love that. Baby Yoda, Grogu, sorry. There's the neighborhood. You can see it's coming up pretty well. Got a lot of houses still under construction. All the trucks aren't out yet, so there's not too much noise outside. Let's go in here. You have a nice size closet for this room. Plenty of space. Show this again. Let's go take a look at this last bedroom. Here's the closet for this bedroom. You like the colors of the walls? Do you like that blue on white? I personally like it. You might like a different color though. It's a beautiful thing about owning your home. You can make it whatever color on the inside that you want. Some HOAs, of course, depending on the neighborhood, won't let you just have like a pink house or something, but depends on where you live. Oh, this is cool. I don't know if you can see it through the camera as well, but it's kind of like, makes me dizzy looking at that. All right. Well, that's the Seaport, guys. We're going to walk back downstairs, but if you're interested in the Seaport, like I said, stick around, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Seaport. I'm going to talk about some other homes that they have for sale, the community in general. And at the very, very end, we're going to give some good news. But if you like this home, or if you're looking for something a little bit different, make sure to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And if you're sticking around for the community info and the good news, I'll see you there. All right, guys, so that is the Seaport being built by Pulte Homes in the Dr. Phillips, Florida area. What are you close to inside of this community? Well, you're going to be close to the airport. It's going to be about 20 minutes away. Disney's only like 10 to 15 minutes away. You're looking at about a 20-minute drive to downtown Orlando. And what else? You're also close to things like Restaurant Row, which is right down the road. There's a brand new area with a bunch of restaurants and shopping centers literally in walking distance from the community that the Seaport is in. The high school that this community is zoned for is also walking distance. But the Seaport, I just want to get into it specifically. The Seaport, let's just go back over it. It was a 3-bedroom home with 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and it came in at 2,068 square feet. Now, pricing for this specific home, the base price for this home is $694,990. That does not include lot premium. So with lot premium on top, it's a 40-foot lot, so we're looking at a minimum of $70,000 as your lot premium. So really, inside of this home, bare minimum, you're probably gonna be looking at a high to mid to high $700K price point. That may sound high, but keep in mind, this is in Dr. Phillips, Florida, which is one of the more luxurious areas in Central Florida. Brand new construction, pretty much close to everything. I mean, you cannot beat its location. It is just prime location. If you guys like the Seaport model, or even if you don't, if you're looking for something different in a different suburb, maybe you're not interested in living in Dr. Phillips. Maybe you're more interested in living in somewhere, I don't know, Winter Garden, Windermere. Maybe you're thinking of Ocoee or over in Oviedo. Wherever you're thinking of living in the Central Florida area, please give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Even if this home was not the one, we will find the home that works for you. This specific community has many other floor plans. So maybe you do want to live in Dr. Phillips in new construction. This model might not be big enough for you. They have larger models. Just let me know and we can figure that out together. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, press that notification bell, and stay just for a couple more minutes. I just have some good news that I want to share with you. If this is your first time to the channel, then what I like to do at the end of every single one of my videos is just share some good news. Typically, that's in the form of talking about Jesus or just reading the Bible. So either one of those, that's what you're going to hear. Following Jesus is the most important thing in my life. It's what I live for, and it's what I believe everyone should live for. I think it's the best way to live the fullest form of life here on earth, but more importantly, it is the only way to enter into eternal life with God, is through Jesus Christ and through relationship with him. So I'm just going to read out of Matthew chapter 6, verses 21. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to read verses 21 through part of 22. So this is just a great thing, a great reminder. This is Jesus' Sermon on the Mount. And in this part, he's talking about anger. And it's really interesting what he says. You have heard that it was said to those of old, you shall not murder, and whoever murders will be liable to judgment. But I say to you that everyone who is angry with his brother will be liable to judgment. Whoever insults his brother will be liable to counsel, and whoever says, you fool, will be liable to the hell of fire. So this is really, really interesting. It's not only do not murder, right? It's do not even be angry. Like unjustified anger, right? Just holding on to this anger. Have you ever been angry? Have you ever called someone you fool or outburst, in anger and in an unjust way? There are reasons to be angry and it's justifiable. But a lot of us and every single human has been unjustifiably angry or just held on to anger that they shouldn't have. And that's basically committing murder in your heart towards that person. And Jesus is saying, like, look, you need to not even be angry at people or at your brothers. And we go, well, we can't, I have been angry against my brother, unjustifiably so. Does that mean I can't make it to heaven? And that's that's the point. It's like he's showing us, look, you can't do this. Like, you won't be perfect in this, and you have to be perfect to get to heaven. You have to be perfect to spend eternity with God. And it can sound scary, but the whole point is Jesus is showing us how much we need him for salvation. Because I can't do that. I can't, I'm going to be angry. I've been angry before, and I'm going to be angry again, unjustifiably so. And if not for Jesus, that would be enough to send me, that would be enough to keep me away from God for eternity, because it's sinful. So Jesus paves the way for us, because we cannot do it on this earth. We cannot achieve the perfection that's required by God to spend eternity with God. God is perfect, and he's not going to have imperfection in his presence. So come to Jesus, believe in Jesus in your heart, believe that he died for you, that he resurrected, and that he saved you from your sin, and profess it with your mouth. Not a false belief, but a true belief that changes your life. It changes the way you look at the world, and it will change your eternity. And relationship with Jesus is the most beautiful thing. Guys, thank you so much if you stayed to listen to the good news. I will see you in the next video.